Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write and upload a cover letter to your Indeed account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you need to do is go ahead to the official Indeed.com website right here, and after doing that, it's going to go ahead and open up this main page right here, which is the home page of Indeed, where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, to be able to upload a cover letter, we need to log into your account, so you can do that by clicking the sign in button right here that's going to appear in the upper right corner, and after clicking on that, you will be able to successfully log into your account or create a new one if you do not have one already. So after logging into your account, now you can see this is the home page and we can get started with uploading our cover letter. So guys, to be able to upload a cover letter, we have to already have it made on our PC, saved somewhere so that we can upload it. And after we have the cover letter, we can go ahead and click our profile icon right here in the upper right corner, and this is going to open up this new menu where we have multiple options, and we want to click this option right here that says profile. Click on profile guys, and it's going to take us to this new page where you can see we can upload a resume or build an Indeed resume. So guys, there is no option to upload the cover letter by itself, so what we can do is upload it with our resume. So you can click on the upload resume button, and then you can go ahead and find your resume and your cover letter on your PC and upload both of those files and just name them correctly. What is your resume and what is your cover letter, and after uploading them, they will appear right here on your profile and employers will be able to see it. But yeah guys, basically that is the only way to upload a cover letter. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.